school and I go to school and
What?
and
Study English.
Major in English.
yes, yeah, I teacher. I'm teacher, but I can't.
No battery, low bat. Low bat, the mine is low bat.
The minus work. Signal is loading. Hang. Internet connection problem.
Maybe your boyfriend brings you to the U.S. to see Christine.
Huh?
I said maybe someday you and your boyfriend goes to the U.S. to see Christine.
Ano siya mga
Tutunoy.
kuan daw kanang ugmata sa US dalon po daw mo ni Christine.
Yeah, someday. Wow, thank you. Thank you. You go yes. First and I will
Thank you for the airplane.
thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day.
You understand that, Kev? That's a song.
Hindi na English masanay ra ka te.
You were used to.
Yeah, you will use to that this kind of conversation.
Yes. like
like
abnormal
yeah,
conversation.
like crazy people in your surrounding, and then you said
It's more joking like that. Yeah. Filipino people.
First line.
I don't drink. No, I don't drink. I only used to drink grapes. Yeah. Grapes, yes, grapes with lemon juice and then Yakult and then you make kutil, right? Yeah, then tombstones and pare.
Loaded. Inay mo teacher mga
Bikay wa ka tong pana ka. Nga dangal ni teacher nakagraduate na. Wa pa ko ka board exam. Di pa sure.
Ker, na wala. Ker.
Kirker is a husband of Irish. You talk Irish also. You talk Irish. I'm sorry.
don't talk to me.
Same.
Don't talk to me. I have no English. Net.
What about we topic about it's so hard. My God, my brain is not responding anymore.
My brain is empty.
You're great.
I will study a lot dictionary so I can
So I can talk.
No, Kevin said that he don't like beers, right? About last night. Yeah, he likes